In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and enter in cheat codes here in GTA 5. Now, this is going to work on PlayStation, Xbox, and PC, and this is going to work in story mode. However, there is no such thing as a cheat code for online, so just keep that in mind. This is only going to work in those story modes. And there's a few different methods to do this. Before we actually do dive into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, what you're going to want to do if you want to do this the easiest way is actually open up your in-game phone. So open that up and it's going to pull up with a page that looks something like this. If you're on a controller, just press up on the D-pad to do this. If you're on PC, hit the up arrow on your keyboard. And whenever your phone is open, go ahead and actually scroll up to the top right and select contacts. From the contact screen, if you're on PlayStation, press square. If you're on Xbox, press X. Or if you're on PC, press the space bar. And it's going to bring up a dial page just like so. And from here, this is where you're going to enter in whatever that cheat code phone number may be. You could find list of GTA 5 cheat phone numbers online. So I definitely recommend checking those out. And essentially, just, type in whatever number it might be for that cheat code. And once you have typed in that number, press square or X if you're on controller or spacebar on PC to dial it. If done correctly, you'll see the option for cheat processing in the top left corner, so go ahead and keep that in mind. And then of course it'll say cheats activated. Achievements will not be awarded for the duration of this session. Don't worry, that's normal. It just means trophies and achievements are disabled while cheats are active, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Once again, these only do work in story mode. This will not work in online. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.